So Apple just announced the AirTag.
A small tracking device for your stuff.
And I don't need one, but I'm probably gonna get one nonetheless. So today I'm making a case for the AirTag that I don't have. I made a couple of designs in Illustrator. I'm just gonna print them off and cut them out. And to be able to try it out, I 3D printed this little replica of the AirTag. Now let's get started. Alright, that's it. There are definitely room for improvements. I need to make the inner shell a bit wider, I think. But for now, this will do, since I don't have an AirTag to actually put in this. And once I get one, I can see if the measurements are correct. But for now, I'm satisfied with this prototyping. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.